Hi, Signor, Signorita. Today we are going to make pasta. Macaroni pasta. Red and white pasta. Pink pasta. This can be aakhri pasta you will ever need to learn. But before that, let us watch this. Mamma mia!
Welcome, senorita, welcome to Puglia, the most romantic, the most beautiful place in the world. Robert De Niro का कसम हमारा होटल फुल है. आपका बुकिंग कैंसिल. अब चले जाओ प्लीज. Go, get out, go home. Gracias, prego.
लेकिन हमें तो बुकिंग कंफर्मेशन मिली थी.
I'm joking! Mamma mia! Come on! Agenda allora! Let me introduce myself. मैं इस होटल का मालिक. मेरा नाम आखरी पास्ता.
आखिरी पास्ता ये कैसा नाम है?
Aha! Pasta मेरा सरनेम. मेरा फादर इटालियानो, उनका नाम था स्पेगेटी पास्ता. मेरा मदर हिंदुस्तानी, उनका नाम सेवैया पास्ता.
सेवैया पास्ता.
और मैं इस फैमिली का आखिरी पास्ता. Mamma mia! What a beautiful bride. Let me welcome the bride Italian tradition. Mamma mia. And now for the big smooch.
No smooch. No smooch. No smooch.
I'm a joking. ये तुम खुद पहन लो. Come on, Bella Sima, let us go.
So let us begin with red sauce. Take 2 red tomatoes. I am joking. Mamma mia. Let's begin with red sauce or marinara sauce. On second thought, let's call it a red sauce only. Take 2 tomatoes. I like to remove the skin. You can totally skip this, but I prefer this way. Give few cuts on top and bottom like this and boil it in water for 2 minutes on both sides. Meanwhile, take a medium sized onion. Onion is going to provide a bit of sweetness in the sauce. Chop it like a pro. Chop the onion, not your fingers. Then take few cloves of garlic. Chop thin slices like this, or you can just mince it. Let's check on tomatoes. I have already flipped them once. Looks like they are done. Take it out and remove the skin. Ow, ow, ow. It's hot, hot, hot. Make sure you let it cool down before you remove the skin. In a non-stick pan, take 2 tablespoons of oil or butter. Don't use cast iron here. Add chopped garlic. Let it saute for a minute. Then add chopped onions. Cook the onions till they become golden brown. Onions have cooked now. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix it well. Add half teaspoon of salt. A pinch of turmeric. Turmeric gives a richness to the sauce. It's like doing color correction. I have added some water to cook the tomatoes. Tomatoes are cooked now. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix well. Mince the tomato chunks and let it cook for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix well and let it cook for a minute. At the end, add fresh basil leaves, half teaspoon of oregano and 1 tablespoon of butter. This is going to make a real difference in flavor. I have kept very thick consistency. You can adjust it according to your need. The sauce can be used for nachos, pizza, pasta, lasagna, and many more recipes. In the same pan, we are going to cook veggies for pasta. Take 1 tablespoon of oil or butter, add chopped onions, green bell peppers, some carrots, and yellow corn. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt, mix well, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, take 1 cup of macaroni pasta, add it to boiling water and cook for 5 to 7 minutes. Veggies have been cooking for 5 minutes. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, oregano, mix well and take it out. After 7 minutes, check on the pasta. If they are cooked, take it out using a strainer. Don't throw out the water. We will use it later in our pasta. Now we are going to make white sauce or bechamel sauce. Take 1 tablespoon of butter, let it melt, add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, mix it really well and let it cook for a minute. It is better to use a deep pan here, but I am confident that I can make it in this pan as well. Add 1½ cup of milk little by little. Keep mixing so that there are no lumps. You can use a whisk here. Mixing, mixing, just keep mixing, 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 just keep mixing, 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 just keep mixing, and that is good. Now for seasoning, add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes, and a pinch of oregano. Mix well and let it cook for few minutes. Now for the final ingredient, I have taken 2 Amul cheese cubes. Make sure you turn the flame to lowest before grating the cheese. Grate and mix it like this. Let the cheese melt. Now our bechamel sauce is ready. If you are making pasta, you can add the cheese at the end. This will prevent the cheese from breaking down. Look at the consistency, how creamy it is. Looks yum. Now everything is ready. Add veggies to white sauce, then cooked macaroni and red sauce. Mix everything well. Adding white to red makes pink. This is our pink pasta in a pink pan. Of course, it's my wife's choice, not mine. But you can make it using just white sauce or red sauce or any other sauce you want. It's your pasta, it's your life. Add some remaining pasta water to adjust the consistency. Mix well. If needed, add more pasta water. Our pink pasta is ready now. Let's garnish with grated cheese and enjoy. Cheese makes everything great. Don't you just love it? Let me have a bite. Mmm, amazing. If you like our pasta, like and subscribe. Love, peace and dokla from Gujju Chefs.